Hello, everyone. I'm Subhash Karthik. I'm a digital communication coach. As a coach, I feel that uh, teaching with proper technology is very much important. You are a coach, or you are a manager or an executive in any organization, or you are a student. You might be, encountering some situations where you have to present yourself with the help of PowerPoint presentations. We call it PPTs. PPTs. PPTs is, we also call it PowerPoint presentations. So as a coach, I need it. Maybe as a student, you need it, or you are a working professional, you need it. Because when we present with the help of presentation, the whole idea, thoughts, sentiments, information, whatever I was having in my mind, I can easily share with the audience. Not only that, when I share those ideas, I never forget because I see the slides also and I see the audience also. So many times, so many people say, I forget my talks. I forget my presentation. So when you have your PowerPoint presentation, you never forget your points. But so many times people also say, sir, PowerPoint presentations are boring. Boring, sir. Again, you want to show PowerPoint presentations. Guys, why does it happen? Because most of the people, they go for PowerPoint, presentation, and they fill up all the informations in the PowerPoint presentations. All the informations. That is wrong. Whenever you want to show your PowerPoint presentation, you should only mention the points. Yes, points, and with the points, one liner. Just that. If you ask me, whenever I make my PowerPoint slides, I try to put one points in a one slide and one liner maybe. So you can say I write 10% and I speak 90%. Whenever you make any PowerPoint presentation, you write down the points, one points in the one slide. 10% and 90%, I will explain about that particular point. But what others they do sometimes, they write down all the points in the same PowerPoint presentations. And of course, your audience will never like it. They will feel it boring. One more thing. When you show your PowerPoint presentations, there is no any picture. Suppose there is no any picture and only points. So people will read it and people will hear it when you speak. When you speak, people will hear it and people will see it and read the line. But I'm also telling you guys, when you next time make any PowerPoint presentation, it is very important that you should take a proper non-copyright picture from the internet, non-copyright picture from the internet, and you should also paste it, that particular picture, in that particular slide. Why I'm telling you? Because when your audience will see the picture and there's one liner, people will understand, people will see, because in that picture people will see the emotion, people will see the line, so the understanding level will be much better. So in one slide, one picture, with that picture there's a one liner, one point. If you really want to make your presentation superb, interesting and attractive, don't worry, I'm going to show you that. So you want to go ahead? Let's go ahead. So now I'm going to show you how you can make PowerPoint presentation. See, this is not a platform to show everything about PowerPoints. presentation, but whatever you need, I'm just going to tell you that. So just go ahead. So this is my desktop. This is my desktop. So you just uh, do a right click, new, go to new and go to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So guys, this is the file. So I'm writing the file how to make PPTs. So this is the file name. Okay. So I'm opening the file. So the file is open. It's a new presentation file. Now you can see at the top, at the left hand corner, new slide. So you go to new slide. There are many options: title slide, title, content, section, header. I want blank because there I can work according to my wish. So I go for the blank slide. So this is the blank slide. Now I want to write something. To write something, you can see here, there's a text box. Can you see my mouse? This is the text box. So I click on the text box and then I click here. Okay, so I'm writing now, caps lock on, how to make PPTs. You can write anything. We are just learning how to do it. Okay. I can change the fonts. You can go to font option. I can change the font here, Arial black. I can, increase the font size. You can see this is the place I can increase, I can decrease here. So suppose I'm making the first slide. I want to make it beautiful. Even I want to change the background. Okay, so I can click on the slide, the right click, there is a format background. So I can go to format background. Right hand side, you can see there are a lot of options. So I go for solid fills. So color, I'm choosing the sober color like this. Okay. Or I want to check, I want to go for this. This is also nice. So I think black is going good with this. So the background color has been done. How to make PPTs, it has been also done. Okay, so what I want to do, you can see, you can edit this text as per your way. Okay, I want to also keep my picture here. So let's go to insert. You can see there's an insert option. I go to insert option. There's a picture. This device or online picture. I can go to this device. So I can see, my picture. So I know my picture, it is in desktop. So let me find out. So guys, it is very important to go for your pictures. That is very important. Don't take pictures from Google because there will be problem in future. Okay. So always take non-copyright pictures. You can go to Google and you can search for non-copyright pictures. Suppose this is the picture. You can see the picture right now. So now I don't want this side. So I can double click on the picture. You will see at the right hand side, crop option is there. So I can go to crop option. Now I can crop it. You can see I'm cropping it. So I place it here. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. So now my first slide is ready. My first slide is ready. Okay. Now I want that, okay, let's start the PowerPoint presentation. How does that look? So you can see at the down corner here, see this side. It is called slideshow. So I can open the slideshow and the slideshow is on. You can see this. Wow, it is looking good, right? So guys, this is the way you can start. You can insert picture and the same way you can insert video also. See, go to insert. See, you can see the insert option. Now video is just a right corner. You can see there's a video option. You can click on the video option, online video, video on my PC. So video on my PC. So I have opened the video of my PC. So it is just getting open. Just a minute. So this is what I'm saying, guys. The same process, the way you insert your picture, the same way you can insert your videos. Okay. But I would always tell you, it is just a suggestion from my end that whenever you want to show any picture, it is suggested that uh, you should directly play the video outside the folder, not insert the video, because the time you insert the video, sometimes there is a chance that the PowerPoint presentation will go hang. Okay, so it doesn't happen always, but sometimes it may happen. Okay, guys. Okay, so this is the presentation. You can see now this time how to make PowerPoint presentation. It is written, kaise maine likha, how have I written? You know that. Again, I have written one more thing, learn the easiest technique from Subhash Karthik. So I just written it, okay. Now I want some animation. So I want that whenever this slide should open, suppose the slide is now opening. It is looking like that, but I want the next line, that is learn the easiest technique from Subhash Karthik. I want that it should come later on my click. So what I'll do, I'll just select it. I'll select it. I'll go to animation. You can see the animation. I'll go to animation. This is the animation. Okay. I'm telling you there are three types of animation. This is the animation. These are the animators. Now you see here the drop down. If you see this, there are three types of animation. One is entrance. You can see entrance. Second is emphasis. And third is exit. What is that? Entrance means how those text will come. So I want to select zoom. So I'm selecting zoom. So I've selected zoom. Okay. So now I'll go for the presentation. See, now you don't see the next line. But when I click, it is coming zoom. So it is called entrance. The entrance, it is coming like zoom. I believe you are understanding, guys. So I have given one animation that is zoom, and this is called entrance. I can change it also here. I can select the same. It is, see, I have already selected. It is the zoom is also selected here. You can see this. You can select anything, spin, grow, shrink, whatever. But always remember, these greens are the entrance, and these so-called, I would say, yellowish color, you can see that is called emphasis. So now I want to emphasis. So grow ho gaya. I may go for emphasis, I may not go for emphasis. It is just as per you only. So I'm going it like bold. No, I'm not going for bold. I'm going for complement. Okay, so I'm going for complement. Now see, again. So if I click, okay, sorry, it has not happened like that. Okay, we have to see the animation pan. See, you can see the animation pan. So I just click on the animation pan. There's only one. Okay, so first I have to select the zoom, the entrance. Okay, so it is already zoom, it is coming. And next I want to select that it should do some emphasis. So next time I can select the emphasis. I may not select also, it is up to you. Like color pulse. So I select color pulse. But somehow it is not happening because it is only telling that you can only eh, make the one animation. So entrance. So I'm selecting the entrance only. So this time I'm going for grow and turn. So see the entrance this time. Again. So I'm clicking and things are changing. See. So learn the easiest technique from Subhash Karthik. So now it is having the entrance animation. Even I want key, this should also go away. So again, you can go to this option animation. You can see there are exit also. So you want key, it will come and it will leave. Then you can go to any option, like I'm going to zoom, or I'm going to shrink and turn. So I'm going to shrink and turn. So it is just going out. See, if I click, it is going out. Again, if I click, it is going out. See, I just want to tell you, this is very easy making the PowerPoint. So this is what is the PowerPoint. Make a basic, don't go for, yeah, you can go for the entrance, but don't go for the emphasis and again exit. It is taking much of your time. First of all, it is taking time and it is not that important. Okay. So if I want to add more slide, I can click just below left. You can see it is the one slide is seen here. Just below the slide, I click and I go to home option. Here the new slide, so I can start the new slide also. So it is the second slide. This is the first slide, this is the second slide. So if you ask me, don't put so many animation. In trans animation, you can put if it is very much required. Otherwise, you can simply put the text and one picture. It will look very good. And again, you can open your PowerPoint presentation and you present yourself. Okay, so this is the way you can make your PowerPoint presentations. You can insert picture. Today we have seen how to insert picture. The same way you can insert your videos also, but if you insert the videos, sometimes the the PPT becomes slow. So you have to think about that also. Okay, so this is what is there anything you would like to know? Then please write it in the comment section. I will definitely help you to work on it. Okay, so thank you very much. Hopefully you like this session. Thank you.